Welcome. In this video, we will see Armitage, the graphical management tool for Metasploit. The newer version of Metasploit utilizes a graphical front-end tool called Armitage. Understanding of Armitage is important because it ultimately makes your usage of Metasploit easier by providing information to you visually. It encompasses the Metasploit console, and by using its tabbing capabilities allows you to see more than one Metasploit console or Meterpreter session at a time. Armitage graphical user interface for Metasploit is complement tool for Metasploit. It visualizes targets, recommends exploits, and exposes the advanced post-exploitation features. Let's open it, but first Metasploit console should be open and started. To open Armitage, go to Application, Exploit Tools, Armitage. It will take few minutes. It may take Armitage a while to connect to Metasploit. While this takes place, you may see the following notification window. Do not be alarmed. It will go away once Armitage is able to connect. Click the Connect button. On the Start Metasploit screen, click on S. Armitage is user-friendly. The area targets list all the machines that you have discovered and you are working with. The hacked targets are red in color with a thunderstorm on it. You are then presented with Armitage main page. We will now discuss the following three regions on the main page. This region displays the pre-configured modules. You can search for modules using the space provided below the module list. This region displays your active targets that we are able to run our exploits against. This region displays multiple Metasploit tabs, allowing for multiple Meterpreter or console session to be run and displayed simultaneously. So that's it in this video on mastering Armitage, the graphical management tool for Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.